Hello and welcome back, guys. So, in this particular session, what we will be looking at is this particular problem where we need to add first and last element of an array, right? So, we will be given the array and then the array size as well. So, basically, what we can do is perhaps we could simply do return, right? And array, and the first element will be 0, of course, right? So, uh, that's it. And we need to do plus what array, and array size will be given. The size will be full length, right? So if it is 5 in this case, it has to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So since it is 0 based, that's why I did 1, right? And I need to check for one more condition over here, right? So if it is only 1, right? So if the length is only 1, that means it will be 0, and there will be a index out of it will be added double, right, with this logic. So I need to have a if condition over here, right? Array size equals 1. In that situation, I would return array 0 only. Okay, otherwise I would return the first element and then the last element sum. Great, works. Let's see if there was that case, right? So this is what is handling it. Otherwise it would have been like added twice, right? This 100 would have been added twice. That's the problem. Okay, so we've solved this. Let's submit our code. Great. Let's go into the solution now. Let's see how other people have done it. Yeah, somewhat similar, right? Somewhat similar. And what else? So yeah, every people have done something similar. Okay, yeah, pretty much looks same, right? So no nuances over there. Yeah, I hope you understood this, right? I hope you have a knowledge of array, then it should be very easy. Okay, so that's how we do this problem. And if you have any doubts, do comment down below. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.